In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your projects in Notion. Notion is a powerful organizational tool that can help streamline your projects by offering a customizable and collaborative space. We'll walk through the essential steps to set up project management within Notion, making it easier for you to track tasks, deadlines, and progress effectively. First, you'll want to head over to Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion is accessible through your web browser, as well as via their desktop and mobile applications. Once you get to the homepage, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all available features. Next, when you're on the Notion page, look for the small arrow symbol. This is typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on this arrow will open up a sidebar with several options for organizing your workspace. This sidebar is where you'll be able to navigate through different pages and settings within Notion. With the sidebar open, click on the Templates tab. Notion offers a wide variety of templates that make setting up a new project or workspace straightforward. Templates are pre-designed structures you can easily customize to fit your specific needs, ranging from simple to complex frameworks. After clicking on Templates, you can search for the Project Management option. Notion's search capabilities are robust, so type that into the search bar. Make sure to double-check your spelling to get the most accurate results. This will present you with a curated list of templates that are specifically geared towards managing projects. Once you see the Project Management template, go ahead and click on it. This selection will guide you to several options that outline different project management styles. Whether you prefer a Kanban board, a simple to-do list, or a more detailed timeline format, these templates can greatly enhance your workflow. Select the one that best suits your project management style. Upon selecting a template, click on the Add button. This action will add the template to your personal Notion space. Adding the template is straightforward, and you should see it appear in your own Notion workspace almost immediately. Now decide where you'd like to place this new template. You can choose to add it to your private section if it's something just for you, or your workspace section if you want to collaborate with others. Click on Add to Private or Workspace, based on your needs. Finally, to view and start customizing your new template, click on See Template. This step will open the template in your Notion workspace, allowing you to tweak it to fit your project requirements. Spend some time exploring the different fields and think about how you can modify them to better organize and manage your projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering project management in Notion, helping you stay organized and on track with all your tasks. Make sure to explore and familiarize yourself with all that Notion has to offer to truly maximize its potential.